Dear students, now question number 8, 13.1 exercise. So let us see what is the question. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. By making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and top of the car. So she wants to make a cover like this, which the cover of a car which should be a box like structure जिसके four sides हो और top हो, top of the car. Given a question में four sides and top of the car. Obviously cover में हम नीचे base नहीं बनाएंगे, ठीक है. So tell me dear students, how many walls are covered with tarpaulin? Four walls plus the roof top. So how many walls are included? Yes, 5 walls. So we'll use the formula for 5 walls. Next, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. तो जो front face होगा वो roll up करके कार को बाहर निकाल सकती है. Then assuming that the stitching margins are very small, यहाँ पर हमें overlapping special दे रखी थी तो हमने ऐड किया है. यहाँ पर वो मार्जिन्स क्या बोला है, दे आर वेरी स्मॉल एंड देयरफॉर नेग्लिजिबल मीन्स हम नज़रअंदाज कर सकते हैं. नो नीड टू ऐड दोज मार्जिन्स. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द क्वेश्चन, हाउ मच tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter means length, breadth and height. तो कितना tarpaulin होगा, तो जो whatever is the question asked to you, that will be our statement. How much tarpaulin would be required? So we'll write the statement as let the tarpaulin required is equal to कितना चाहिए, we need to cover 5 walls with the tarpaulin. So we'll write the statement as, so we will write as tarpaulin required for car shelter is equal to 4 walls area plus area of the top. So 4 wall area you all are familiar, 2h into L plus B plus top is in rectangular form. यहाँ parallelogram नज़र आती है but this is rectangle. So L into B. So dear students, just put the values. This is length, breadth and height and get the answer. 2 into height is 2.5 into L plus B 4 plus 3 and as you can see all are in meters. So no need to convert anything. This is 4 into 3. 2 into 2.5 is 5 into 7 plus 12. So 35 plus 12. So how much tarpaulin is required in making this shelter, car shelter? How much is required? We required 47 meters square tarpaulin to make this shelter of this car. Now dear students, we will start 13.2 exercise. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder means in this exercise we are going to study a cylinder. So I am having this cylindrical jar in front of you. इस जार को आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज सिलेंड्रिकल इन शेप. कौन से पार्ट को हम कर्व्ड पार्ट बोलते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस जिस पर लेबल लगा होता है, दिस पार्ट ऑफ द जार इज़ नोन एज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. और सिलेंडर में फ्लैट सरफेस कौन से होते हैं, दिस इज़ द फ्लैट सरफेस विच इज़ सर्कुलर इन शेप एंड इट्स बॉटम इज़ फ्लैट विच इज़ अगेन सर्कुलर इन शेप. तो इन दिस वे विल गेट द एरिया. टोटल एरिया अगर हम निकालते हैं, इसका कैसे निकलता है, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर अगर हमें फाइंड आउट करना हो ऑफ सिलेंडर, सो विल टेक कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस. आई हैव गिवन यू द फॉर्मूलाज. कैसे डिराइव हुआ है यू मस्ट नो. सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है, 2 पाई आर एच, राइट. 2 पाई आर क्या होता है, दिस इज़ द सर्कमफ्रेंस, क्योंकि ये सर्कल का शेप का है इसका कर्व्ड सरफेस, इनटू उसकी कुछ ना कुछ हाइट है, it is having some height, so that is why we will write 2 pi rh plus area of top. Now top, what shape is the top having? Circle. So what is the area of circle? It is pi r square plus area of base. Again base is circular, so again we'll add one more pi r square. So हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या बन जाता है? 2 pi r h plus 1 pi r square from here and 1 pi r square from here. Two circles मिल गए means 2 pi r square. Now what is common? 2 is common, pi is common, and r h पर 1 is common. So we'll take out common factors out. 2 pi r, this is whole common, h plus out of 2 r, r raised by 2, 1 r is outside and 1 is left. So this is the formula, total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h. So I hope it is clear to you now. This portion, the label portion is known as the curved surface area. और जब हम total बोलते हैं तो we'll add 2 circles, one for the top and one for the bottom. But in any of the question, if it is given to you that it is open from the top, it is open from the top, तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक पाई आर स्क्वायर हटा देते हैं, तो एक पाई आर स्क्वायर हट जाएगा, तो क्या आ जाएगा? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड द एरिया ऑफ बेस. मान लो हमने लिड, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द लिड, तो उसमें एक ही बेस यूज़ करना है, दूसरा सर्कल नहीं ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग यू मस्ट रिमेंबर. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. So dear students, what is given to us? Curved surface area is 88 centimeter square. So how do we write? Curved surface area of cylinder is 88 centimeter square, right? And height of that cylinder is given to us. हमें height दे रखी है इस cylinder की, and height is 14 centimeter. Now what they have told us to do, so let us read out. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Diameter we have to find out, means this complete thing, diameter, and this is radius, this complete is diameter. This is radius and this complete is diameter. सो डायमीटर क्या होता है? डायमीटर ट्वाइस होता है रेडियस का. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द गिवन थिंग्स. हमेशा पहले किससे स्टार्ट करना होता है क्वेश्चन? जो गिवन है. व्हाट इज़ गिवन टू अस? सी एस ए. तो वी विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला फॉर सी एस ए. व्हाट इज सी एस ए? 2 पाई आर एच इज इक्वल टू 88 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज 2 इंटू 22/7. Radius we don't know, height we know it is 14 is equal to 88. Now cross multiply, we can cancel it out and cross multiply. R is equal to 88 divided by 2 into 22 into 2. So 22 4s are 2 2 2 1. So radius will be 1 centimeter square, and as we know डायमीटर डबल होता है. डबल मीन्स 2 इंटू रेडियस होता है. सो फ्रॉम हेयर विल गेट 2 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 2 सेंटीमीटर इज द डायमीटर ऑफ दिस cylindrical part, right? So I hope it is clear to you. So now second question, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Now point to be noted is that the cylindrical tank is closed. Closed means ऊपर lid भी, ढक्कन भी लगा हुआ है. Of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter. Height is given to us in meter and diameter in 1 centimeter from a metal sheet. Tank बनाना है closed means सारी की सारी sides उसकी बंद हैं, means it is closed. Total surface area. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कहाँ कहाँ अगर हमारा एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक हमें बनाना है एंड इट शुड बी क्लोज्ड, तो हमें मेटल शीट कहाँ कहाँ लगानी पड़ेगी? हमें कर्व्ड पार्ट पर लगानी पड़ेगी जो हम रोल कर रहे हैं. We need to paste the metal sheet at the bottom also. We need to cover it with a lid also because the cylindrical tank is closed, and the height of the tank is given to us 1 meter, right? And the diameter is given to us 140 centimeter. If diameter is 140 centimeter, तो radius diameter क्या होती है? ये पूरी लाइन, तो ये पूरी diameter है और इसका हाफ कर देंगे, we'll get the radius. So by making half of this, we'll get the radius 70 centimeter. But dear students, they asked us to find out the metal sheet in square meters. So that means we will convert centimeter into meter. Because height is also in meter, we'll convert this radius also in meter. So 70 divided by 100. By doing so, you'll get the radius in meters. Now as the tank is closed, so we will find out, we'll write metal sheet required. So metal sheet required to make a closed cylindrical tank is equal to total surface area of cylinder, because it is closed, of cylinder, because it is closed. So what is total surface area? That is 2 pi r into r plus h. I told you how we have derived this formula. Now you must remember. So 2 into 22 by 7. If pi value is not given to you, then you will put pi is equal to 22 by 7. But if pi in the question given to us 3.14, तो आप वो value put करेंगे. Radius we have just find out 0.7 into 0.7 plus 1 meter is the height. So by replacing the decimal, we can take it as 10 to make the calculation easier. So we'll take 2 into 22 into 1 by 10, and when you add them, you'll get 1.7, right? By solving it, you'll get the answer in meter square. So let us solve it to get the answer. So dear students, by solving it, we'll get 7.48 meters square metal sheet is required to make this that much big closed cylindrical tank. I hope the question is absolutely clear, because sheet is required for the closed tank, so we'll use total surface area. So just put the values and get the answer. Do not forget of converting the units. Okay, so this is the way to do the question. Now let us see the next question. Now next question is, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Pipe is 77 centimeter long, means height. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter being is 4.4 centimeter. Dear students, sometimes you must have seen that a pipe is quite thick. थोड़ा सा मोटा होता है, तो मोटा होने से क्या होता है कि उसका थिकनेस चेंज हो जाती है. अंदर का रेडियस अगर हम अंदर से बनाएंगे अलग मिलेगा और आउटर रेडियस हमें अलग मिलता है. मीन्स विल ड्रॉ इट, वी कैन ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस. पाइप का अगर मैं क्रॉस सेक्शन आपको दिखाऊं, इट विल बी अपीयर्ड लाइक दिस. तो अंदर का रेडियस अलग होता है और बाहर का रेडियस अलग होता है, right? So this is given to you. So dear students, this pipe is there having inner and outer radius is there. The pipe will look like this. इस तरह से दिखेगा and it is that much thick. तो ऊपर वाला portion it will look like a ring, बीच में से hollow होगा. Inner radius is 4, outer diameter. So if it is a diameter 4.4 radius, diameter inner diameter is 4, तो radius कितना हो जाएगा? Inner radius will be 4 by 2 and this will be 2.2. हाफ कर देंगे. By making the half, you will get the radius. By making the half of diameter, you will get the radius. And long means height is 77 centimeter. Now we need to find out what are the points to find out. First is find its inner curved surface area, then outer curved surface area, and total surface area. So dear students, first two parts are absolutely direct, no need to get confused. The curved surface area formula is 2 pi RH. As it is inner, we'll write inner radius. So 2 into 22 by 7, and inner radius is 2 centimeter. So we'll put 2 into height is, it is 77 centimeter long. So just solve it and you will get the answer. So when you will solve it, you will get 968 centimeter square. This will be the inner curved surface area. Similarly, if we'll find out outer curved surface area, the formula will again the same, 2 pi RH, but R will be outer radius. So 2 into 22 by 7. Now outer radius is 2.2 centimeter. So we'll put it here, 2.2 into height is 77. So again, when you'll solve it, you'll get 1064.8 centimeter square. This is the outer surface area. But dear students, now in the third part, we need to find out the total surface area of this pipe, so that will be inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area, plus one more thing should be added. जो ये वाला पोर्शन है ये भी तो हमारे पास है. इफ़ यू वांट टू पेंट, हम इस पाइप को पेंट करेंगे तो कहाँ से करेंगे? इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया अंदर से, बाहर से पेंट कर देंगे. ये एज, ये क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया भी तो पेंट होगा, विच इज़ इन दिस फॉर्म. हम यहाँ पेंट करेंगे, यहाँ तो पाइप है, खुला रहेगा, हॉलो. सो ऐसे क्रॉस सेक्शन 2 हैं हमारे पास, 2 रिंग्स. वन इज़ ऑन द टॉप and other is at the bottom. So we'll write 2 into area of ring. Dear student, ring is nothing else, it is circular. Bigger circle में से अगर ये छोटा माइनस कर देंगे, we'll get the area of this ring. So inner curved surface area we already solved, 968. Outer we have already solved, 1064.8 centimeter square. Plus ring का एरिया हम निकाल लेंगे 2 into सर्कल का एरिया क्या होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. सर्कल इज़ पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो आउटर सर्कल में से मुझे इनर सर्कल माइनस करना है, तो पाई कॉमन ले लेंगे, क्या मिलेगा? पाई इंटू आउटर सर्कल स्क्वायर माइनस इनर सर्कल स्क्वायर, ये मिलेगा. बट 2 क्रॉस सेक्शंस आर देयर, वन इज़ एट द टॉप एंड अदर इज़ एट द बॉटम. तो इसलिए वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 2. हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे? 2 से. सो फॉर्मूला विल बी 2 पाई आर, ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे आउटर स्क्वायर माइनस इनर स्क्वायर. सो विल सॉल्व इट. 968 प्लस 104.8 प्लस 2 इंटू 22 by 7 इंटू आउटर रेडियस इज 2.2 स्क्वायर minus inner is 2 square. Dear students, we can apply the identity here. To solve it we have 2 methods. या तो पहले स्क्वायर निकालो then माइनस कर दो, या फिर we can use this identity at this place. a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. मीन्स एक बार ऐड कर दें और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें. सो when you will add it, जब हम a प्लस बी करेंगे 2 plus 2